Alright, and welcome to part 3 of this nightmare road trip fun thingy. It's hot out. I'm doing exhaust work. I get to use the lift. That's a plus. I'm going to show you what happened during this whole road trip to this poor little car. Alright, as you can see here, this is where the muffler used to be. Fell off somewhere heading to Acadia National Park. And no big deal. Mufflers, they rot, they fall off. You kind of have to use your pocket knife to cut the flanges to get it free. It's in the back here. Don't worry, I didn't leave it on the side of the road yet. But then, we make it all the way up to my cabin. And then the last piece here decides it wants to break. So that just left the middle section dangling, and I took some mechanics wire, wrapped it around here to hold it in place. If you look underneath this car, the exhaust is hanging low and just dangles out the back. This exhaust is just completely shot. And right here, well, the muffler used to be over there, so I'm just going to take some wire, hopefully put it up there, and hopefully it lasts till the end of the trip when I get back to my shop. Oh, there's my Bush Mechanic exhaust hanger, and seems to be alright. Nothing too fancy. If I'm more concerned about right up by the catalytic converter, that has a bit of movement in it. Right where that exhaust clamp is. And I'm hoping that doesn't fall out. But as you can see, there's nothing there. And then you just have a catalytic converter with a crusty old exhaust clamp. That's terrible. That's done for. Fell off on the ride home. All right, well, the full exhaust fell off. Mechanics wire held, but it came off by the catalytic converter. And there it is in the back right there. So let's see how loud it is now. Nothing like being on the side of the highway. And I'll tell you, a car with no exhaust for 9 hours is, well, it's deafening. I'll show you what's left of the pipe. As you can see, it rotted off right here. Go down, don't mind the corn. It fell off heading home, and then it dragged a bit. And I had to yank it off on the side of the Maine Turnpike. Good times, I'll tell you that much. This is just shot anyways, I couldn't reuse it. It's all rotted up there. All right. Just finished up putting the whole exhaust on. It should hold pretty decent. Let's go start her up and find out. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see how loud she is. Very nice. Yeah. Too big for this car. Alright, let's hit the skinny pedal, see how she sounds. Not bad, not bad. See how she is underneath. No leaks, not the best fix, but it works. You hear? Nothing. Ooh, it's hot. Alright, since that's put back together, I'm going to take this off, and then I'm going to put the exterior up on here and see how bad that coolant is.